Yeah. Good morning, all guys. Can you all hear me? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Guys, just wait for 5 minutes. Then we'll start the session. Just wait for only 5 minutes. I request you all.
రోజులైతే
Guys, good morning to each and everyone. Guys, in this session, how many of you were having this first class? Guys, those who are here first for the first class, I just need your introduction, your name, education background, and if any work experience. That's it. Is it clear? Now, okay. One more time, everyone, please introduce yourself. Okay. Abhinaya, can you please, Amma? Abhinaya, we just required
Yeah, can you
your
hear
name.
me?
Yes, please. Perfectly.
Yeah. Myself Abhinaya and I have total 8 years of experience. Now currently I'm working in Walmart as a team lead.
Okay, good. Ananya,
Hi sir, myself like Ananya. I have like total 9.5 years of experience. Currently, I work as an assistant manager.
good, excellent. Ashwin, Achuk, Avinash, yeah, Ganesh, Gayatri, Gayatri. Just you guys, you're hot for the organization. Just 1 minute, man. You are the hot
Myself,
for the organization. Just 1 second, Tali. You are the heart for the organization. If you be silent, it will be no use, right? You have to improve your communication skills. Is it clear? Most of you, while you introduce yourself, you have to greet not only to the trainer, to the all the guys who hears you. Is it clear? Okay. Now please start, Amma. Gayatri, can you please?
myself Gayatri. I'm fresher. My qualification is BCom completed.
Okay, Amma, good. Jignesh Singh. Okay, Ashwin, no issues. Jignesh Singh Rawat, are you there? Kajal. Okay, Jignesh, please
Hi, this
proceed.
is
Just 1 second, Amma Kajal. Jignesh, you please proceed.
Myself Jignesh Singh Rawat, and I have completed my LLB, and I have 5 years experience in Teleprime accounting.
Okay, good. Kajal Maheta.
Hi, this is Kajal Mehta, and I'm working with an investment bank for 4 years and more.
Okay, good. Flower Raju. Flower Raju. Meenakshi. Amma Meenakshi.
Hello, sir. This is Meenakshi. I have completed masters in commerce years ago. I recently to diploma in accounting and financing again, and I recently joined part-time job in accounting.
Good, excellent. Nishant. Nishant. Amma Janani Reddy. Can't hear you, Amma. Okay, no issues. Radhika.
Hello, can you hear
Yeah,
me, sir?
please proceed. Yeah, perfectly. Amma.
Good morning to all. My name is Radhika, and I'm a qualified chartered accountant and qualified cost accountant. This is about me. and I'm a
Okay,
fresher.
good. Okay, okay. And okay, good. Rahul Sharma. Rahul Sharma. Rakesh.
Hello,
Reshmi.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Rakesh. Please proceed. Yeah, very good morning.
Sir, myself Rakesh, sir. I am from AP. I am completed MBA in Finance and Marketing. I am the fresher.
Good. Okay. Reshmi.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, perfectly, Atali. Very good morning.
Yeah. So I'm Reshmi. I'm Reshmi Bhatt, and I'm a CA finalist. I haven't completed my final papers, and right now I'm searching job in Abu Dhabi because I just moved there on a dependent visa. So thank you.
Okay, okay. 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 Riddhi Vaidya.
Hi all, this is Riddhi Vaidya. I've completed my education in BCom LLB. I have 6 years of experience in the finance background, and I'm currently working as finance and compliance executive in a company. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Good. Shreyan Sangvi.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Shrans Deepak Sangvi. I'm from science background. Means I've completed my engineering in mechanical stream, and currently I'm working with my dad in his enterprises. Thank you.
Very good. Srikul Nair. Okay, ma'am. Good. Amma Tanmay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, perfectly.
Good, good morning, everyone. Myself Tanmay. I completed my MBA in Finance and HR last year. Currently, I'm doing part-time job as an accountant.
Okay, good, Amma. Yogesh. Yogesh. Okay, guys.
Hello, good morning, guys.
Uh,
My name is Yogesh from Surat. I am accountant from 15 years. BCom.
good. Okay, good, Mr. Yogesh. Guys, while you introduce yourself, you have to greet to your panel board. Here, I'm the panel board. And also to the panel members or other guys. So here I can see there are the three guys only who used to greet. So please try to improve yourself. Okay. And next, is it anyone left to give introduction about you all?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyanka, and I'm working in Accenture as a SAP end user for P2P.
Okay, Amma, good. Next. Okay, come here back, guys. I'm Sudhakar Darawat. I'm chartered accountant as well as cost accountant. Currently I'm working in PwC as a SAP finance consultant. Okay. This is, and when it comes to education, I mean teaching, this is my 65th batch regarding SAP S4 HANA, PICO and ECC. And I'm not only teaching SAP, but also other batches related to CA, CMA, inter and final, exceptionally related to taxation, DT and ITT. Next, when it comes to professional experience, I'm in the implementation team for 4 state governments of India regarding SAP S/4HANA and 2 pharma companies. Is it clear? Next, please come back. I'm now currently giving support for the 2 pharma companies. Okay, please come back, guys. Now, before starting the session, I just want to tell you all one thing. Our sessions will be like questioning and answering. Wherever you guys get any doubt, just speak it out. Okay, whether it's correct or wrong, I will take care. You guys came here to learn the new things. Don't bother about other guys. Okay, they are also new. So that is the reason they came here. Okay, whatever was there in your mind, just speak out, throw it out. Is it clear? Number 2. Basic thing is you guys has to learn regarding its especially non-finance background. You guys has to learn finance related to types of accounts. It means personal, real, nominal, and golden rules of accounting, trading P&L and balance sheet, and financial state. I mean final accounts. These are the things what you guys has to prepare yourself. And when it comes to controlling, you guys has to learn cost sheet, cost elements, overheads. That's it. Is it clear? Now please come back. If you want to work in the SAP, okay, in the SAP you can find only 5 types of projects: implementation, rollout, support, migration, upgradation. Implementation means if you move from paper form or from other ERPs, means non-SAP to SAP at once, we call implementation. If we move from non-SAP to SAP or paper form to SAP at once, what do we call implementation? Is it clear to everyone? Just figure it out, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
You guys may get one doubt as a client. As the owner of the organization, you may get one doubt whether after implementation, whether it works or not. You just want to check it. So what you will do, you will implement SAP for certain part of the company or in the certain country. If its result good, then you will go further. So for the testing purpose, what do? You implement certain part of the company or certain country now. We call it rollout. The basic difference between implementation and rollout is, in the case of implementation, you will implement at once to the entire company. But when it comes to rollout, you will just test it by implementing certain part. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After implementation, you may get any bugs, errors. So as a consultant, you guys has to resolve because you know what you made in the particular ERP tool in the software. So who will get the doubts or errors? Accountants. To the accountants in MNC companies,
sir.
what we call end users.
the
Is it
testers.
clear? So as a consultant, you guys has to resolve the doubts of your end users, accountants. Is it clear? That in the support project, you will not only resolve the errors, but also you will update the changes. What will be the changes? Changes, it may happen due to change in technology or rules and regulations. You have to update in the support project. Is it clear?
Yes.
Implementation, support, and rollout to
Yes.
everyone.
Yes.
Can I move ahead, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay, guys, I'll tell you a small story regarding SAP. Guys, anyone of you, please tell me, how many of you know Xerox? How many
Everyone,
of
sir.
you know Xerox?
Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone. What is meant by Xerox?
Just copying the same thing.
It's a
Okay,
company.
it's a company name. Who's that guy? Excellent, Abba. Xerox is a company name which usually manufactures a product to copy the page. Is it clear? Now, in the period of 1960s, Xerox approached to IBM to develop one ERP software package. So at the moment, IBM company called 5 of its employees. Their names are Valen Ruther, Hope, Hector, Platner, Shira. So the things are going on very well. In the middle, again, Xerox approached to IBM and said they're no longer interested, and Xerox company said to stop the project. The same thing IBM company said to the 5 fellows. So when the IBM company said to stop the project, these 5 fellows came out from the organization and they developed it. So here, before incorporation, before starting off their organization, they released their first software in the period of 1960s. Is it clear? Before incorporation, before starting off their organization, they released their first software in the period of 1960s. And we call it as R1 server. In the R1 server, in the single place, we can see application, database, and presentation layer. And they incorporated their business organization in the year 1972, the place called Waldorf, the country Germany. So this particular SAP ERP is German-based company. Is it clear? Now, in the period of 1970s, they updated the R1 and they came up with R2 server. In the server, we can see in the first layer, database and application. In the second layer, presentation. And in the period of 1980s, they updated the R2 and they came up with R3. Here you can see different servers for different layers. And in the period of 1990s, they updated the R3 and came up with ECC. ECC means what? Enterprise Central Components. So in the ECC, we can see different software, different version of software, like ECC 5, 6, etc. In the currently we are using ECC 6.0 and many enhancements packages out there, like EHP 5, EHP 6, EHP 6, EHP 7, and currently organizations are using EHP 8. And here, till this point, if you want to implement SAP, till ECC, if you want to implement SAP, you have to depend on third-party database. If you depend on third-party database, the thing will become costlier. In order to provide solution for that, SAP has come up with its own database and we call it as HANA database. HANA means, guys, high analytical appliance. Till ECC, you can use your own database. But when it comes to S4 HANA, mandatorily you have to depend on S4 HANA's database only, even though you are maintaining database. Okay, now come back. In the period of 20s, S4 HANA has been introduced. So in the S4 HANA, we can see different softwares like 1707, 1808, 1909, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Is it clear? These are the different versions. Currently, the updated version in S4 HANA is 2023. Is it clear? And we are providing training on 2023 version. Okay. On S4HANA software, we are providing training to FICO module by using the version 2023. Is it clear? Now come back. This is the story. Now, migration project means within the SAP. Within the SAP, if you move from one software to other software, like R1 to R2 or R3 to ECC or ECC to S4HANA, we call migration project. Within the SAP, if you move from one software to other software, we call migration. Is it clear? Within the SAP, within the same software, if you move from one version to lower version to upper version, we call upgradation. It means if you move from EHP 5 to EHP 6 or EHP 6 to EHP 7 or EHP 7 to EHP 8, we call upgradation. Okay, is it clear? The basic difference between migration and upgradation?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please tell.
Yes, sir. Could you please elaborate on production development? I mean, what the role of production department and what the role of development department?
Just wait a minute. After 15 or
Yes.
20 minutes, we'll discuss on it. Okay, just wait.
Sir, I
Step by
have
step
one
we'll move.
question. Sorry, I have one question.
Here you can
Could,
see, just wait, Tale. Here you can see system landscape, right? In the system landscape, we'll discuss regarding development server, testing server, production server. Okay. Step by step. Okay. Just wait.
Okay,
sir.
Okay. Anyone know? If you please tell me what is the difference between software and ERP, guys? Anyone? What is the difference between software and ERP? Guys, in the organization, you can see different departments. In the organization, you can see different departments. If you use a software for single department, we call normal software. But the particular software, if we use for more than one department, then we call ERP. A software, when we use for more than one department, what we call ERP. So here, under SAP, we covering all the departments under single umbrella. That is the reason to the SAP we call ERP. Is it clear? Now, you guys may get one doubt. What is ERP? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise means what? Business organization. We usually do business in the name of proprietorship, partnership, company, the form whatever it might be. Usually, enterprise starts organization to give shape to the idea. In order to give shape to the idea, you require some inputs like men, material, machine, money, methods. By using these 5 M's, we usually convert input to output. Once we get the finished product, what do we have to do? We have to sell this product in the hands of customer. In order to sell this particular product in the hands of customer, one more M we require, that is marketing. Is it clear? Now, what we are saying, we use inputs to convert to output. So in order to convert input to output, you follow some plans. It might be a formula or any patents or whatever the form it might be. Is it clear? Now, guys, if you earn profit in the short term, you may get loss in the long term if you're not having proper plan. Is it clear? Now come back. ERP is nothing but a software package which we use to know how our resources are being utilizing at each stage, and we can analyze all the reports in the single click. Is it clear with respect to what is ERP to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, SAP means, guys, systems, applications, products in data processing. Don't say SAP. Please use the word SAP. Is it clear? Now, again, come back, come on. Just imagine. Our friend Gayatri wants to incorporate one organization to manufacture EV cars. What are the departments we require? Material management, plant maintenance, warehouse management, production planning, quality management, sales and distribution, customer relationship management, finance, controlling, human resource management, and information technology. Now, I'm having one question, one doubt. Gayatri and Radhika both are manufacturing EV cars. Is there any condition to maintain same number of departments in both the organization?
It may
No, sir.
differ.
No.
It depends on the company to company.
Yeah, depend on
Yeah,
requirements.
excellent. It depends on the interest. It depends on client's requirement. Is it clear? There is no any law to maintain same number of departments. Now come back. Here guys, while we implement SAP in the particular department we call module. While we implement SAP in the particular department we call module. And the person who is responsible to implement SAP we call consultant. Is it clear? While we implement SAP in the department, what we call module. And the person who is responsible to implement SAP to the particular guys we call consultants. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, here, except IT, what are the different departments we are having right now? We call functional departments. Except IT, what are the different departments currently we are having? What we call functional departments. And the person who implement SAP in the functional department to the particular fellows what we call functional consultants. And while we implement SAP in the functional department, what we call functional module. Is it clear to everyone till this point?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Especially those who completed just now graduation. Is it clear, Amma, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now
So,
come back.
what is the difference between
Yes, sir.
hello?
Yeah, please, Amma. Yeah, please,
What
Amma.
what is the difference between a functional consultant and a technical consultant? I mean, what does they do?
Just wait, Amma. You will get the idea. Just wait 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Normally, for every configuration, we require functional and technical. For every configuration, we require functional and technical. Functional configurations will be provided by respective functional module consultant. And when it comes to IT, we usually work with two fellows. One is basis consultant and other guy is ABAP consultant. ABAP consultant will provide us technical configuration. You finance guy, you provided your functional module configuration and ABAP consultant has provided technical configuration of you. What is the next step? You has to store the particular data in the database. What database we are using in S4HANA? HANA database. Here, earlier we used 3 words: presentation, application, database. Presentation, application, database. For database in S4HANA, what we use? HANA database. For application, what we use? 4th generation software, that is S4HANA. For presentation, we use Fury apps or SAP GUI. Okay, we'll show you both the things. Now please come back. Guys, how many of you know the role of security guard? Anyone? What security guards will does? Please, guys.
To stop the unauthorized things. Persons.
Taking care who is coming and who is going.
Excellent, Amma. Here also, for our database, there is one security guard. His basis sting. He is a watchdog for our database. Why we are calling him as a watchdog? Because whatever things comes in, whatever things goes out, who is the responsible guy? Basis consultant. Good. You guys are good fellows. You functional consultant and ABAP consultant. You guys made the configuration. What is the next step? You have to store this particular configuration in the database. So in order to store the data in the database, you guys will create request to the basis team. Mr. Basis Consultant, I made one configuration. I want to store this particular data in the database. Please give me the permission. You guys will say. If he allows, then only you can store the data. Is it clear till this point to everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next, the request what you create to the basis team to store the data in the database, we call transport request. The request as a consultant, what you are creating, we call it as transport request. Is it clear? Why you are creating? To store the data in the database. Ashwin, please check with your mic settings. Okay, now come back. Here, who are making the configuration? Functional consultant and technical consultant. Both guys are making, right? So to store the data which was created by the functional consultant, what the request they create, we call customizing request. And to store technical configuration, which was created by ABAP consultant, the request what we use, we call it as workbench request. So simply we can say transport request is categorized into two types. One is customizing request, second is workbench request. Customized request will be used by functional consultants to store functional configuration. Workbench request will be used by technical configurations. Sorry, workbench request will be used by ABAP consultant to store technical configurations. Is it clear to everyone?
So is it used into two parts?
Yeah, transport request is categorized into two parts.
Okay.
To
Yeah,
store
that.
the data in the database as per the
Okay.
functional and technical consultant roles.
Okay.
Now,
Yes, sir.
again, please come back, Amma.
Hmm.
Just imagine you all purchased one new iPhone. When you switch on the phone, are you having same uh, welcome note or differs to each guy? When you switch on the phone,
Same, sir.
after unboxing,
Same,
will
sir.
you all see same
Same,
note
sir.
or it differs?
Same.
Same, right?
Same.
Same.
Here, whenever client purchases SAP software, when he switch on the software, he can also say same configurations. Simply we call it as predefined configurations. Next, I will call you all. You guys all have purchased a new iPhone. Good. So all please, but I will say to install one app for online meeting purpose. So what you guys will do? Some guys may install GoTo. Some guys may use Teams. Some guys may go to Meets, Google Meet, and some may go to other software. So is it I specified any software name?
No.
No. As per your interest, you guys will download, right? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Here also, as per the client requirement, you guys has to make the development. Is it clear?
Yes.
Even
Yes,
though
sir.
our clients, two different clients uses SAP software, they may not use same developments. This developmental configuration will depends on client interest, client requirement. Is it clear? The combination of predefined configurations and developmental configuration we call configurational data. Is it clear up to now to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now, once you made the software, Amma, in order to use, what is the next step? It has to be used. Who will use? Your client. Client will use directly? No, he will appoint accountants. Normal terminology I'm using. He will appoint accountants. What accountant does? Anyone? What
Posting
accountant
the
does?
posting the general entries.
Okay.
They will test the like as in what the implementation we are doing the
No,
software.
no. He will not test
Posting
them.
posting the account.
What accountant does? That's it.
Posting accounts.
He will record the day-to-day business transaction and he will generate the different reports
Yes, sir.
as per the manager or as per the management, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here also in MNCs, we're having one accountant. We call it as end user. The role of end user is recording of day-to-day business transaction and generating the reports as per the client requirement. Is it clear? So here, the recording of day-to-day business transaction, we call it as transactional data. Recording of day-to-day business transactions, what do we call? Transactional data. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Recording configurational data and transactional data to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here, guys, if you analyze here one thing, transactional here configurational data will be developed by whom? Consultant. And transactional data will be recorded by end users. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm
Yes,
having
sir.
one doubt. I incorporated my business organization in 2020. Now, can I implement SAP right now? I started my business organization in 2020. Can I implement SAP right now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
can.
Yes.
We can.
I
Yeah.
can implement, right? Now, while I implement SAP, is it necessary to maintain my books of accounts in the HANA database?
Yes.
Yes, we have to maintain.
Yes.
Maintain.
Yes, we have to maintain. Is it clear? Next, till implementation, till go live stage. Please unmute your mics. Okay, guys, what is the role of end user, Amo? What is the role of end user?
Record
Day-to-day transaction. The recording the day-to-day
Recording
transactions.
of day-to-day business transaction. After go live, whatever transactions are there, he will record in the day-to-day business life. But before implementation, you having some transactions now. Who will upload it? Consultant. Is it clear? So before go live date, whatever transactions are there, we call it as cutover activity. If we cut one date and before the date, whatever the transactions, activities are nothing but transactions. So before go live, whatever transactions are there, what we call cutover activities. Who will upload it? Consultant. Is it clear to everyone till the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, come back, Amma. Here to the normal journal entry, we calling transactional data. Okay, good. Now, can I find similar transactions in the organization? How many of you know journal ledger folios? How many of you know ledger?
Laser, we know, sir.
You know.
Generally.
You all know, right? In the ledger, what you guys will record?
General
Under
entries.
ledger, what you so
General and
you will
Transaction.
main yeah good. Here under ledger, you will maintain whatever transactions are happened under the particular ledger. Yes or no? Yes or no, Ma?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here in the SAP, to the particular ledger, we calling it as master data. So we having GL master data, vendor master data, customer master data, bank master data, asset master data, etc. Is it clear to everyone? Now, what are the types of consultants we're having? Functional, ABAP. Functional consultant will use the tools called LDMC, LSMW, and ABAP consultant will use BDC tool. Is it clear? Here, to use BDC tool, you require ABAP programming language skill. ABAP means, guys, Advanced Business Application Programming Language, which is used only in SAP. Is it clear? Amma Gayatri, is there any doubt, Tali? Hello, Gayatri, are you having any
No,
kind
sir.
of doubts, Amma?
No, sir.
Okay. Guys, is it clear? Regarding data types to everyone.
Sir, can you just elaborate what is ABAC, like advanced business? Can you just?
Application Programming Language, Amma. Is it clear to everyone? Is there any doubts? Guys, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
another clear one. Earlier, we used one word, transport request. Here, guys, every configurational data will be stored at two different places. One is that configurational data, second one is that transport request. Now you guys may get one doubt. Sir, why we use this particular transport request? Transport request is used to send the data from one server to other server in the system landscape. Now again, you may get one more doubt. What is system landscape? System landscape is nothing but combination of different servers in the software license. Is it clear? So here we can see three different servers in the system landscape: development, testing, production. Is it clear? Guys, this is the introduction session. And also today we'll cover enterprise structure and global setting. Is it clear? Especially for the especially for the new joinees in this particular batch. Is it clear? Now come back. So why we are using transport request? So send the data from one server to other server in the system landscape. Now again, please come back. Guys, just imagine there is one special occasion in your life. Just imagine marriage event or your baby's first birthday. Okay, your baby's first birthday. Now, for your baby, you require a special dress. What you guys will do, Amma? First, you will check the cloth. Okay, whether it is a fine cloth or will it give disturbance, you all the parameters you will check it, right? Then if you feel okay, you will give the particular cloth to your boutique or tailor. What he will do? As per your customization, he will develop it. Again, you will wear it to your baby and you will check it, either whether it looks good or not. Yes or no? So how many times you are checking? Before purchasing, after coming into the farm. Yes or no? In the cloth stage and in the dress stage. Yes or no, guys? Here in SAP also we're having two testing servers. Before implementation, in the process of implementation. The test server which we use before implementation we call sandbox server, and after implementation the server which we use to test we call testing server. Is it clear, guys? Why we having two servers? For testing purpose.
Yes.
What are those?
Yes,
Sandbox?
sir.
Sandbox and
Sandbox.
golden client.
No. Testing or QAT server. Okay, these two things, these two servers which you use, it is the for only testing purpose. Sandbox and testing servers are used only for testing. Is it clear? Sandbox before implementation, testing or QAT, quality and assurance test server at the process of implementation. Is it clear to everyone? If it is clear,
Yes.
then we'll discuss regarding system landscape.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now please come back, guys. Basically, in the system landscape, we can see three servers: development, testing, production. In the development server, we can see again two servers: sandbox, golden client. Here, sandbox to the sandbox server we call dummy server or trial server. What the configurations to add in the sandbox server to test before implementation? Okay, it will not give any impact to your client business. But there is one real hero in our system landscape, that is Golden Client Server. So what the configurations you make in the Golden Client Server, you has to be very careful, because it is a main server. It will give impact to your client business. So you has to be very careful. Is it clear? So once you given your predefined configuration and developmental configuration in the Golden Client Server, next what is the step? You has to send the data from development server to testing server. So you will take the help of transport request, because it will act as vehicle to send the data from development server to testing server. Is it clear till this point to everyone regarding developmental server?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next,
So
what is the next step? Yeah, please.
Sir, I have a small doubt. In the golden server, you have to change some modifications. You have any problem?
Oh, yeah, here what I used the word configurational data. What is configurational data? Combination of predefined configurations and developments.
Okay.
Yes or no? Where
Yes,
you are
sir.
adding this in the Golden Client. Once you add it, what is the next step? You have to send it for the testing. You may get one doubt, sir, I added in the sandbox, but it is a trial server now. So
Okay.
you have to send for the main server for the testing purpose. Is it clear? Now come
Yeah,
back.
okay.
Now, again, you are sending the data from development to testing with the help of transport request. To the testing server, we're having other name. What is that? Quality and assurance test server. To the QAT, what we call quality and assurance test server. Is it clear? Now, what you guys will do? You guys will do testing and you will upload the master data, which is nothing but cutover activities, and you will give training to the end user. Who will give that? Junior consultant. I hope you guys are all clear regarding cutover activities and end user training, right? Is it clear?
Yes. Clear.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in the organization, you may having different departments, right?
Yes.
While you implement SAP in the department, what we call module. Yes or no?
Yes.
Next. Guys, in order to test as a finance guys, what you guys will do? You will raise the journal entry. Is it clear? What you guys will do? You will post the journal entry. By posting single journal entry to test a single module, we call unit testing. By posting single journal entry to test a single module, what we call unit testing. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Next.
Your
By
voice is
posting
not understand cutover activities.
cutover activities are nothing but before go live. Okay. After go live, day-to-day transactions will be uploaded by your end user.
Yeah.
But before go live, whatever journal entries are there, we call it as cutover activities. Okay. We discussed in the master data.
Okay.
Before go live, whatever the journal entries are there, we call cutover activities. Okay. Now come back.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear to all regarding unit testing?
Yes.
Yes.
Now come back. Integration testing. By posting single journal entry to test more than one module. By using single journal entry to test more than one module, we call integration. Is it clear? Unit integration testing. Yes or no, ma? Let us take
Yeah.
one example. You will purchase one material where it will be recorded in finance, in controlling, in material management. You will pay salary where it will be recorded finance, and HR. So while you pay salary, what will be the entry? Salary to bank. But where it was giving impact? HR and finance. Is it clear, Amma? How many journal entries you are using? Only one.
One.
Is it clear? Yes or no, Amma?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, you are the good fellows, guys. You implemented the SAP as per the specified time. To implement SAP, how much time it will take? 6 months to 24 months. Guys, every year, okay, let us take for India only. Every year, are we having same rules and regulations?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
It may changes, right?
Yes.
Next, technology also may change. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here, okay, please mute your mic, Sama. Thank you all, guys. Please come back again, guys. In the mean here, within the specified time, you implemented the SAP, but now in the middle, one update was came. You have to update it or not? You have to update. After updating, you will test already configured data with new updation by posting single journal entry. So by posting single journal entry to test already old configured data and new updated data, we call regression testing. Is it clear, Amma? To everyone.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, in real time, we can see two more testings: positive testing, negative testing. Yes, guys, today we are starting from the very basics. Okay. Here we can see positive testing, negative testing. Here, in the positive testing, you will post a journal entry to check whether it taking positively, means whether it is good or not, whether it is correct or not. Negative testing means you intentionally post a transaction. You intentionally post wrong transaction, and you will check it whether it taking wrongly or not. To check a correct journal entry, to check whether it is working good or not, we call positive testing. And to check a wrongly posted transaction, to check wrong or wrong journal entry, we call negative testing. Is it clear? Is it clear regarding testing server?
Yeah, yes,
Sir,
sir.
is there any tool to testing that? I mean, whether it is wrong or right?
Amma, to post journal entry, you will not use any tools, Dalit. Okay. To update, to upload the data, we'll use the tools. Okay. Come back.
Okay.
Here again. We'll send the data from testing to production server. So with the help of transport request, we'll do it. In the production server, what you guys will do? You record the day-to-day business transaction. Here, if you analyze here one thing, in the development server, consultant working. In the testing server, consultant working. In the production server, end user. Is it clear regarding system landscape to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, till now, whatever things we discussed, it is regarding what is SAP and why, how we will do the work. We not went to the introduction of FICO. Is it clear? No. Guys, first we complete the finance module, then we'll go for the controlling. Is it clear? Now again combine. Guys, I just want to know one thing. What is mean by company? Anyone? The basic definition of company.
Company is an artificial person.
Okay. And is there any other characteristics? Anyone?
Registered by law.
Separate legal
Business law.
entity.
Okay. Artificial person
It can be
registered
sued
under law,
or
separate legal law. Good amount. Shoe,
it can be sued and it will be, it can be sued by any other person and it can also sue.
it can sue and by sued. Okay.
Yes,
Good, excellent. And it should be legal.
it should be
It's
Okay.
a legal form of entity.
Okay. And is there any other characters? Till now, whatever things you said, we can apply for the partnership, guys.
It,
Is
it
there any
cannot be
other
it cannot be signed.
depends on time? Only we can differentiate the basic difference between partnership and company. Is it clear? Company is forming under going concern. Partnership, limited period. Okay. The rest characters will be the same. Now come back again. So company is nothing but association of some persons who form together to do an activity, and it should not be illegal, and it should be separate legal entity and artificial judicial person by shoe and to shoe and main going concern. These are the some of the characteristics. Now, what is meant by holding company and what is meant by subsidiary company?
holding company is the company which owns shares in another company. That means holding more than 50% of shares in another company, and the subsidiary company is which is held by another company of more than a portion of 50%.
Okay,
It
good.
can be like holding company is the parent company,
Good, excellent.
and
And anyone?
subsidiary companies are the branches, different branches of the company.
Okay,
It's a
good. And
corporate
For
anyone?
example,
entity.
you can take Reliance Petroleum. We have the different types of companies in the Reliance.
Okay. And anyone, guys?
A subsidiary
It's a
company is a company who uses decision-making rights by giving shares to the other company. And a company who possesses more than 51% shares in that particular company is a holding company of that company.
Okay, good sense. And anyone? Okay, guys. In order to be a holding company, will I buy always more than 51%?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just imagine, Amma. There are the four friends.
Sir, the directors, I mean, the board of directors can be more than six, can have the controlling capacity, and then they can become.
So to take the decision, in order to give the control, it always depends on number of equity shares they hold, right, Amma? Okay, please come back. There are the four friends, Amma. A, B, C, D. A started organization. When he starts, how much percentage of shares he will hold? 100, right?
100%.
Next. Later, he went for the public issue. So A. B purchased 40%. C purchased 20. And D purchased 10. And A is having 30%. Now, who is having more shares?
B, sir.
B. How much?
B, sir.
40%.
40%. Then what about A? How much he having?
30%.
30%.
30. Now, in the company, who will takes? Okay. one of our friends said us, it depends on board of directors decisions, right? Now come back here. Who will take the majority of decisions, guys?
B.
sir.
B.
and B.
B.
All the partners.
Just imagine,
A,
Amma. If
A
you
and
say
B.
yes, as in I will say no. Then if are we having same consent to pass the resolution? No, right? No, right? Yes or no? Now, who is having decision making right?
A plus B.
Only one.
B is having decision making right.
B as a
Balance Rayans.
B.
Sure,
Sir,
B is having.
B has more shares, right? Then B have decision making power.
Yes, Amma, excellent. So here, guys, usually there are the two scenarios, Amma, while we implement SAP. Here in this case, Mr. A, he incorporated the company. Later, what he done? He issued the shares and he loosened the decision making rights. Yes or no? Then what we has to do? We has to apply holding and subsidiary company concept. Now, you may get one doubt. What is holding company? In order to be a holding company, it should satisfy any one of the two conditions. What is that? Minimum 51% of shares or majority of shares. If it satisfy any one of the condition, then we call holding company. Then what about the company? The company incorporated, no? After incorporation, he sold its shares. Because of issue of shares, he loosened the decision making right, right? So the company which does this activity, we call subsidiary company. So in this case, as per our example, B having 40% of shares, means majority of shares. So to the B, we call holding company. A started and he loses the decision making rights. So to the A, we call subsidiary company. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no, Ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, once again repeat.
Here, one more example we will take, Ma.
Okay.
Here, X started a company. When he started, he having 100% of rights. Later, what he done? He sold 80% of shares to public. Is it clear? Now, how much X holding? 20. Here, Y came forward, he purchased 30%. Z came forward, he purchased 29. A came forward and he purchased 21. Now, in this case, who having majority of shares? In
Why?
Why?
Y.
Why?
So, simply we can say X loosen the decision making rights. So when he loses the decision making rights, who has to apply holding and subsidiary company concept. Now, in this case, in order to be a holding company, it should satisfy either 51% of shares or majority of shares. In this case, Y is having majority of shares. So to the Y we call holding company.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here X is loosen the decision making rights. So to the X we call subsidiary company. What about the position of Z and A? These two guys are just equity shareholders. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, we'll take a 5 minutes break. After break, we'll continue. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay.
We'll take 5 minutes break. Yes, okay. Don't waste your time and my time. I request you all.
చేయకపోతే అప్పుడు ఆయమ్మ అడుగుతుంది. ఎందుకందో లేకపోతే నువ్వు ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పు ఇలా పని చేయట్లేదని నీకు అంత బాధ వస్తే ఆ అమ్మాయిని ఎందుకంటారు ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఎందుకు అడగదు ఇద్దరు కలిసి జీతం ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళు అడగలేదు నువ్వు పనికి తీసుకెళ్తావు
Yeah. Now, can you all hear me, guys? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Here you can see holding company, subsidiary company. Now, usually this particular thing, when it will take, when you're having the group, simply you can say whatever holding company takes a decision, Y has to implement. So to the Y company we call organization group, and to the subsidiary company we call one of the unit in the organization group. Is it clear? Now this scenario why will occur, because we will implement SAP for group of companies and single legal entity. We'll implement SAP for group of companies and individual company. So while we implement SAP for group of company, to the holding company we call parent company or organization group. And to the subsidiary company we call one of the unit in the organization group. Up to now, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, guys, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, here guys, when you learn a new subject, you have to learn the terminology also. When you learn the new subject, you have to learn the terminology also. Here, what the terminology you guys has to learn? As per SAP, company means holding company or parent company or organization group. And as per SAP, company code means subsidiary company or one of the unit in the organization group. Company example, Tata Group. Company code example, TCS, Tata Motors, Tata Vehicles, Air India, Vistara, etc. Is it clear to everyone? Regards
Yes,
company
sir.
and company code.
Yes, sir.
Now, why we implement SAP for single legal entity? Are we having any kind of groups? There is no group existence, right? Yes or no? Individual company having its own 100% right. It was not sold to anyone. Is it clear? So in the particular case, while we implement SAP for single legal entity or individual company, company and company code will be the same. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Is it clear, guys? So is it clear to everyone regarding company and company code while we implement SAP for group of companies and single legal entity?
Yes.
Yes.
I move forward, guys, to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Guys, usually we use SAP FI for external reporting purpose. What subject you guys will use? Financial accounting, right? Yes or no? And
Yeah.
we use SAP CO for generate the internal reporting. For this purpose, which subject you guys are using?
Cost accounting.
Perfect, perfect. Cost accounting. So here, external reports to whom it is useful? To all your stakeholders. Internal report to whom it is useful? To the management and employees. Now our question is, who are the stakeholders? Anyone please?
Bank
Who are the
employees,
stakeholders? Okay.
bank employees and
Investors.
Creditors.
Stakeholders means who are invested in the company.
Debenture holders.
True.
Okay.
Shareholders, preferential shareholders.
Good, excellent. Can I use a word statement? By the act of organization, by the decision of organization, who affects directly or indirectly, we call them as stakeholders. Example, equity shareholders, preference shareholders, debenture holders, bankers, employees, management, stock exchange, ROC, customer, vendor, etc. Is it clear? No.
Yes, sir.
To generate internal report, which module you guys are using, Amma? CO, na? SAP CO. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
SAP CO, you guys are using for internal reporting purpose. As a consultant, what is your role? Whatever client says, you have to map in the SAP. What is your role? Whatever your client says, you have to map into the SAP. That is your role. Is it clear? Now, he will call you, Mr. Finance Consultant, please come here and generate a internal report, he will say to you. Whether you have to do the work or not, you have to do it. So, by using SAP Finance, to generate internal report in SAP, what we'll do? We define the business area. Is it clear? By using SAP Finance to generate internal report, what you guys are doing? You are configuring the business area. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Can I move forward, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
again, you guys may get one doubt how we can define the business area. Guys, we can define business area as per product wise or geographical wise. Who will take the decision to move as per product wise or geographical wise? You consultants? No. Who will take the decision? Your client. Is it clear? So, business area you can define as per product wise or geographical wise as per the decision of the client. Is it clear? What I'm using a word or means what? Whether you has to take both the things or single one? Single one. Is it clear? If I use and both the things or only one. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Next. Here, for our company code, we are having one company code, right? Tata Motors.
Yeah.
For our company code, Tata Motors, here we want to define the business area. What I chosen? You can choose as per product or geographical wise, but your client chosen to move as per product wise. So what I chosen? Engine wise: petrol engine, diesel engine, CNG engine, electric engine, and hydrogen engine. So now totally for our company code Tata Motors, within this particular company code Tata Motors, how many business areas we're having?
4, 5.
Five.
Hi.
5 business areas we're having. Here, you can generate this individual business area reports easily, and you can use this particular individual business area within the company code, right? Now, so just imagine you need to generate internal report at company code level. What you guys will do? You will add all these 5 different business area reports at one place and you will use it. Yes or no? Adding together of different business area reports at one place we call consolidated business area. Is it clear to everyone regarding business area and consolidated business area?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone, guys?
No, sir, as of now.
No. Now come back, Amma. Which subject you are using to generate the internal report?
Controlling.
Controlling. No. To generate internal report by using business area, which subject you are using? Financial accounting.
Financial accounting. Okay.
So
Financial
in the financial accounting, in trading and P&L account, are you guys considering both expense and incomes or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right? So simply we can say in business area, we consider both expense and income. But I just want to know how much expense I'm incurring. So to generate how much expense you're incurring by using financial accounting, we define the functional area. Is it clear? To generate expense report by using financial accounting, we use functional area. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Additional thing, what you guys can see here? Profit center. Here, cost
Profit
center.
center.
In the
Cost
place
center.
of business area, in the CO, we use profit center. In the place of functional area, in the controlling, we see cost center. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear, Amma? With
Cost
respect to business
center
area,
is
controlling, Amma?
cost center is only for expenses, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now please come back. In business area, we consider both expense and income. In the functional area, we just consider only expense report department wise. Okay. Business area, consolidated business area, and functional area we use for internal reporting purpose. Is it clear? Business area we use within the company code. Consolidated business area at company code. Is it clear to everyone till this point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anyone?
Hello.
Now, any one of you please tell me what is cash sale and what is credit sale?
Credit sale is
In cash sales, we are not providing discounts. In credit sales, in credit sale, we can't provide the discounts. In cash sale, we can provide the discounts.
Well, cash sales means we are giving cash and purchasing the product right now. And in credit sale, that we are purchasing the product now and paying the cash later on.
Okay, just imagine.
In credit sale,
Cost of
we
the-
generate account receivable, sir.
Okay, just
Cash
wait a
sale
minute.
involves
For
the
all,
immediate
okay, just
payment.
wait. I'll explain you. Guys, just imagine. Cost of the product is 100 rupees, and the particular 100 rupees is paid through LC, letter of credit. Is it cash sale or credit sale?
credit sale. Credit sale.
He paid a full amount, no? So please listen carefully. Channel is not important. Media is not important. He can pay through cash, check, promissory note, bill of exchange, LCs, traveler check, whatever the form it might be. If he pays full amount, we call cash sale.
Cash.
If he doesn't pay you single penny in the particular transaction, we consider it as credit sale. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now please come back, Amma. Here, if you're having more credit sale and if they will not pay you the cash, what will be the situation, Amma? You may go for the bankrupt, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the credit sale, the particular customers in the future they may pay or may not pay. There you can say contingency. Yes or no? If they pay, there is no issue. If they will not pay, then what is the situation? You have to wind up your organization. You have to close your organization, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So,
Yes,
in
sir.
order to be free from the particular situation in the SAP, we define the credit control area. So, credit control area is used to put limit while you sell a product only on credit basis, not on cash basis. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now come back. You need one product, Amma. You need our friend Tanmay need one car. What she will do? Will he go directly to the plant or to the dealer?
Showroom.
To the dealer.
He went to the showroom. Not plant.
Okay.
Dealer.
For sure, dealer. He went to the dealer.
Where they will go?
Showroom.
To the showroom
To the
dealer.
To the
dealer.
dealer. Dealer is
Dealership.
nothing but SB sales and distribution team. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
SD is not here. Showroom is nothing but sales and distribution team. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Perfect. No?
Yes, sir.
Now, Tanmay is intended to purchase 1 crore worth of car. What she will do? She will inquire about the product. She will ask the quotation. Yes or no? If she
Yes, sir.
thinks it was good, then she will purchase. Now, she intended to purchase the product. Now, what the sales team will ask, ma'am, will you move on through cash basis or credit basis? Through cash or finance? They will ask. Yes or no? Just imagine. You want to move as per finance wise. So their particular document will be asked by the sales team. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. First, who will analyze the particular finance document in the organization? Sales and distribution team. If there is things fit, they will forward to finance team. Yes or no? Yes or no? First, the documents will be analyzed by the sales and distribution team. Later, it will be analyzed by the finance team. After thoroughly analyzing the risk factor, they will give the credit. Is it clear? So here, usually this credit control area configurations will be done by both finance and SD team guys. Sales and distribution team. Okay, just okay. I'll give you just 5 minutes of time. Please go through the business area, consolidated business area, functional area, and credit control area. Okay, don't go on through this particular thing. While we make configuration, I will explain you the last line. Okay, I blurred this. Except the blurred one, please go through the rest thing. I'll give you just 5 minutes. This is regarding the enterprise structure. Please read it. Don't waste your time. I request you all.
Please zoom in. Sir.
Yeah, please, Amma. What is your doubt? Hello?
Sir, please little zoom in, sir.
Abhinay, your voice is breaking, Amma. Can you please repeat one more time?
Yeah, it's very small. The wordings are. Could you please zoom it?
Okay, sir. Zoom. Okay, I'll do it. Just give me 1 second.
Fine, sir.
Now,
Thank
can
you.
you all read this? Okay. Please read it, guys. We'll give you 5 minutes.
Sudhakar, one question.
Yeah, please. What's your doubt?
Yeah, my question was like who maintains this customer credit management? When we are setting this credit control area related to
Finance and
customer like
sales and
risk.
distribution. It is at company level. Okay, individual vendor and customer level, again, we'll do it in accounts payable, accounts receivable.
Like for one
Okay.
customer, we need to define like if there is any risk on the customer history is not good, maybe customer will not pay the debts to the company. So who basically maintains the kind of a credit management for those customers? Is it FI or is it SD? You have mentioned configuration will be done by FI and SD team.
I think if it is related to sales and distribution, then SD and FI will come into the picture. Am I right, sir?
Like who will be setting up the limit of customer?
I guess the end user will set the limit now because they know how much transaction they want.
No, as a consultant,
As a consultant,
At the time of configuration, we set a limit to the each suppliers and the customers.
So based upon that, a end user will work on it.
Your mics. Okay, 1 minute. Guys, what we are saying, this credit control area, you're putting limit at company level. For individual vendor, for individual customer, you're having payment terms. There, we'll put limit in AP and AR, accounts payable and accounts receivable. While here, there you're putting limit now. That particular limit, it will be used by the end user while creating the vendor and customer. Is it clear? Credit control area at company level. To the individual vendor and customer, you will put limit under accounts payable and accounts receivable under payment terms under the tree code OBB8. Is it clear?
Okay, you're saying that when we are setting up customer data, like master data of the customer, then we will
Yes.
set up in the AP module and AR. For AR, those will be
In
your
AR,
customers.
we'll check.
AP will be
We'll
the
consider
vendors.
regarding the yes AR accounts
Okay.
receivable from whom you will receive debtors, customers. Accounts payable to whom you will pay vendors or suppliers. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it clear to everyone now? Okay. Now please go through it. This is regarding the enterprise structure. Is it fine if we start global setting? It takes 1.5 hours.
Yes, yes.
Guys, single day. Is it
Yes,
fine
sir.
to take long
Fine.
time, long sessions, or shall we complete on Monday?
On Monday, sir.
Because today burden is enough, right?
Sir,
If
it's
you
too
mug all the
long.
things in one day, it will give hiccup. So is it fine or not?
No, sir. Can you take up in Monday?
Can do on Monday. Monday will be
Let's
good.
do
Yeah.
it on Monday, sir.
This is
Yeah.
enough, I think, for
So
today.
Monday again will come. Monday again will complete the theory. Then on Monday itself, we complete enterprise structure and global setting configuration steps. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ma. This document, I'll share you on Monday. Okay, you guys no need to worry. Okay.
Okay.
So regarding
For
today's session,
whatever,
is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
yeah, it's
Everything I'll
clear,
tell
sir.
you.
But
Sir, those who
Here
have
we
joined
have
from March first week, those have license expiry. So, sir, do it fast, sir.
guys, I'm a trainer, right? There will be some technical team. They has to take care regarding the server access. As a trainer, I can guide you how to use it. Can you all get my point? So those who are having license expiry, just send a detail to the support of Henry Orwin. The mail ID is support@henryorwin.com. In our organization, I'm just a trainer. You guys has to understand this thing. Okay. I can help you if you're having any name or error password, this sort of things. But I can't help you if your software is expired. Is it clear?
My point
Is
is
it clear?
that, sir, because we have two
Oh,
additions in this batch on the second week of March and now in this week. So we are
here,
doing
if you okay, if you joined on March, this particular server is valid till March, April, May. Okay, till May we will complete the course now. The particular server which was provided from our organization, it is valid for 3 months, not for 1 month or 15 days. Okay, valid till 3 months. So you guys have the right to contact them. Is it clear?
So how
To
many
the
months it
technical
will
team.
take to complete the full course, sir, FI and controlling?
Usually it will take a 1.5 months, but I'll take extra sessions. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'll conduct a group discussion, mock interview, and some things we have to discuss. It was not there in the content. So in
Thank
order
you.
to cover all those things, I'll take extra 6 sessions. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yes, yes. So, and once we start attending the interviews, whether we can go as a consultant or a supporting role.
Here we'll give training not only the implementation but also support. At consultant level, we'll give the training, and also end user level also will cover. As a consultant, you will make some configuration. How it will works, you has to test it now.
Yeah, because I have almost 12 years of experience, so that's the reason I asked.
Okay, no issues.
Yes, Sudhakar, the same. I have almost 9 years of experience in and as an end user in SAP. So I'm trying to switch my role to the FICO. So how it will work and how can we choose like that?
Guys, you know, in any software field, we'll go with the genuine as well as by showing some fake experience. Yes or no?
Yes.
The training which we are providing right now, you can attend 5+ fake experience. Is it clear? You can manage up to 5+ fake experience. Okay, we'll discuss later, Amma. Here,
Okay,
guys, I'll guide you step by step in the particular. The simple thing is, you has to attend, you has to complete task, you has to involve in the mock interview, and you has to involve in the group discussion. Okay.
Okay.
You has to follow me blindly.
So can we get your contact
Yes.
number if you don't mind? Because whenever we get
You
in
can
any
make it.
doubt, we can text you or we can call to discuss on
Okay,
that.
later on Monday or Wednesday, I will provide you. And one more thing,
Okay.
I can say greatly to my student, one of my student. He
Okay.
is having a 6 years experience and as an end user.
Okay.
And she showed 4+ experience, fake experience, and her salary is 18 lakhs under support.
Oh.
Is it clear? The simple thing is, you guys has to follow me, Amma. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Take care, everyone, guys. We'll meet on Monday. Please connect on time.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure.
Bye. Take care, everyone.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Yep. Samrat.
Hello.
Yep, please. Amma.
On Monday also there will be financial configuration or costing it will be starting, or the same thing will be repeated which we have
Monday
done
we'll
earlier
take up both configurational part and practical part, Amma.
of finance, right? Like general ledger we
Yes,
will
yes.
be starting on Monday
No. It
because
will start
on
on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday or the Friday.
Okay, fine. Okay. Thank you.
Hello.